Let's complete this chapter by seeing how to embed JavaScript code in your web page, because ultimately JavaScript is meant to be run on web pages. That is, at least most of the times. Although JavaScript is finding uses on the server side as well, Node.js being one example, but that is not what we will be dealing with in this course. You have already seen how to embed JavaScript code in your web page within the script tags. Now, there are a few things about the script tag. There can be multiple script tags in a web page, although it is better to have one and keep all your JavaScript code in a single place. By the way, always remember, rules can be broken, alright? Many conventional rules are made to avoid complications and to keep things simple. And when you gain more experience doing something, you can always break the existing rules and create your own. Learning cannot be fun unless you make mistakes and take lessons from them. So just keep your eyes and ears open and be observant of what you're doing. Alright, getting back. As I was saying, you can have multiple script tags in a web page, but it is better to keep a single one and put all your JavaScript code inside that. Also, the script tag may not just be inside the head element, it can also be inside the body element, okay? We will keep the script tag inside the head element for now. I will explain any deviations from that after talking about how browsers work in a later chapter, as I don't want to complicate it too much just yet. When the web page is passed by the browser and it encounters the script tag, it executes the JavaScript content inside it. So if you have multiple script tags, then generally the browser will execute the statements from top to bottom. That is, starting from the first encountered script element. Also, as said earlier, JavaScript is a scripting language. So the interpreter starts executing the code statement by statement. So, as we saw in the Hello World in JavaScript section, we had just written the statement calling the alert function which was executed by the interpreter. If we want to use this alert from inside a JavaScript function, let's write a function test and use this alert statement from inside that. Now, if we refresh the page, the alert statement is not executed, alright? Because the interpreter just executed the function definition. It never encountered any statement which called this test function. So let's do that after the function definition. And now if we refresh the page, we can see the alert dialog box.